YouTube is a mine of video content. You can find everything on YouTube, from funny to logical videos, from cringe to classy content. The popularity of YouTube is increasing massively. Every day, new creators join the platform, and you might have also thought about creating some amazing content. If you have ever thought about being a creator, then what is holding you back? Why are you not starting your YouTube channel? Well, I know that asking these questions is easier. I know beginners, it's never easy for them. We need proper guidance to start anything, whether it is just a YouTube channel. Hey guys, my name is Asta from Paper Video, and in this video, I will tell you a step-by-step guide to upload your first video on YouTube. Before we begin though, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for your notifications. YouTube is the biggest social media platform for video marketing. So adding YouTube video marketing to your market plan is the need of the hour. We have created the step-by-step guide to kickstart your video marketing for yourself or for your business. How to upload a video on YouTube. The uploading process is not tough at all, and when you start the process, you will automatically see the options. But there are several tips and tricks that you can use to grow your channel from the start. Before uploading a video, there are two obvious steps that you need to follow, which is shoot the video and edit the video. After completing these two steps, let's move forward and start with the YouTube process. Create a YouTube account. The primary step to uploading a YouTube video is to create a YouTube account. You can also log in with your Google account. While setting up the account, you will have to fill in basic account details. Upload the video. You can quickly upload the video by clicking on the upload button at the top right of the homepage, and it will take you to the upload screen. YouTube accepts all main video file types like .mp4, .m4v, .mov, .wmv, and .avi. There will be privacy options on this page. This controls who can see your videos and gives 4 options. One is public. Anyone can view the video and share the URL, and your subscribers will see your videos in their feed. Next is unlisted. If you choose this option, your video will not display on your channel. But if you share the link with anyone, they can simply watch the video. This option simply means that it will hide your video from the audience, but those who have the link can watch the video. Next option is private. Only you will be able to see the video. And the last option is schedule. You can schedule your post for the future. Add information. In the second step, you will be directed to the next option. On this page, you will see various options. Title and description. Your title should be 7 to 10 words. The title should be keyword rich and easy to read. Tags. Including relevant tags is a great way to reach a wider audience. Thumbnail. A thumbnail is the visual that we see at first. Once the video gets uploaded, YouTube will display 3 still images and ask you to choose one as a thumbnail. The YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 by 720 pixels. You can see various thumbnails. Some are ordinary stills, some contain titles or logos, and some have graphic representations. Privacy. On the next screen, you will see the option to review the privacy settings. If you have changed your mind, then here you can change the settings. Add to playlist. Playlists help you to contain similar niche content together. Advanced settings. This section gives you a variety of extra options. These are additional settings. However, there are a few things that can be helpful. You will see an option for comments with the opportunity to enable or disable comments on the video. This category specifies the topic of your video. Selecting an exact type means more people can reach you. There's also an option called caption certification, which is important for creating content that's accessible for users with hearing impairment. Nowadays, closed captioning is becoming popular. The last option you will see is the content declaration. If you create a video with a paid promotion, then you need to mention that. Publish the video. Finally, you can now hit the publish button at the top right to save the changes. Now all I want to say is, don't wait for the timing to start your YouTube channel. There's no such thing as the perfect timing. The ideal timing is now. So now follow these steps and kickstart your YouTube channel. So good luck and start creating great content. But wait, do one more thing before going. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.